everyone. Welcome to our channel Grab Learning Train with Advika.
And today again we are here with a new topic, and today's topic is
Different forms of water.
Advika, water is a very essential part of our life, right? Can we live without water? No? Right. It's not possible. We can't live without water.
Water is the most important part of our life.
Right. But Advika, do you know one thing? That water which you drink, that is a liquid. That is the liquid form of water, right? But water exists in nature in three forms. You know this? Solid, liquid,
and gas.
Gas. And water can easily change from one form to another. It can easily change from liquid to solid, and then solid to liquid, and then liquid to gas. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the different forms of water.
This is water.
No, what is this? This white color.
Oh, it is an ice tray.
Ice tray. And what the person is doing?
He is pouring water into the ice tray.
Have you ever done this?
Yes.
You pour water in a ice tray. Then what did you do after that?
Then I put it in the coldest part of the refrigerator. Then after a few hours, it turns into ice.
And what do you think, that ice is a liquid form, gaseous form, or solid form?
Solid form, because we can touch ice.
Right. So ice is a solid form of water. So water can convert into ice. And this property of water is known as the freezing. So what is freezing? Freezing is the property of water through which water can convert into ice. Means liquid can convert into solid state. You take out ice from the ice tray, and then you put all ice in a glass. And keep it at a room temperature. Normally, keep it in your kitchen or in your study room. Then what will happen?
Then the ice will turn into water after a few minutes.
Ice will turn into water. Ice will turn into water. Means ice will start melting, right? Then when ice melts, it's again turned into water. And this property of water is known as the melting. Melting means when water again converts from solid state to liquid state. Ice is a solid form of water. When we keep ice in a at a room temperature, then after some time, the ice start melting and it again convert into water. Do you know what is evaporation?
Evaporation is the process in which water converts into vapor.
Right. Do you know, kids, one thing? When we hang up our clothes at outside to get dry, then after some time our clothes get dry, right, Atvika?
Yes.
How it's happened?
Because the water that the clothes absorb, that water became into vapor because of the sun.
And that process is known as the evaporation. So water converts into vapor when we boil water. Advika, have you ever observed that when I am boiling water, okay, in a kitchen, then when water start boiling, then vapor coming out from the kettle?
Yes.
Right? So kids, when water converts into vapor, this process is known as the evaporation. So conversion of water into ice means
what is called freezing.
Freezing means water is a liquid form and it's converted into ice into the solid form. Then again, ice can convert into water. Means solid can again convert into liquid. And now liquid can convert into vapor, and this process is known as the evaporation. What do you can see in this picture?
I can see that the water vapor cools down and changes into water droplets.
Yes, and this process is known as the
Condensation.
condensation. We can perform this experiment. This is very simple experiment. We can perform it at our home. You can take a kettle and fill the kettle with some water and then put the kettle on flame. When the water will start boiling, then the vapor will be come out of the spout of kettle, right? And if you will hold a plate in front of the kettle, then you can observe that vapor will be converted into water droplet. And this process is known as the condensation. Condensation means then vapor convert into again water, means gaseous form is convert again into the liquid form. So this is the condensation. So what did we learn today? We learned that water can exist in nature in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. And all three forms can interchange easily, right? Water can change from liquid to the solid state. That process is known as the, what is that process, Advika? When water
Freezing.
freezing. Again, solid can change into liquid form. That is known as the melting. And from liquid, again, it can change into the gaseous form. That is known as the liquid to gas is known as Advika?
Evaporation.
And again, a gaseous form of water can again change into the liquid form. And this process is known as the condensation. So,
Friends, I hope that you learned something new with this video.
right. And we will meet you soon with a new topic. Till that time, bye. And please, if you like our videos, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel.